So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create or break a watch on a wallet. Okay, so what you have to do right now is to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel right now. Okay, so let's move on.
Do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuffs like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel. Enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video.
Now, this video will clearly explain to you how some of you guys are actually being scammed for not just reasons, for just a simple knowledge that could save you a lot. And people are being scammed about thousands and thousands of dollars every single day using watch on a wallet. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can create a watch on a wallet from your multi-coin wallet and how you can get any random watch on a wallet from anywhere on the blockchain. Okay, so just stay tuned to the video. All right,
into this, let's begin with my own wallet right here. Now if I tap on Trust Wallet, this watch on a wallet thing is kind of prominent on Trust Wallet. Okay, so if I go to my wallet right here, this is my wallet here. All right, let me use a wallet with some reasonable amount of crypto. Okay, chain will reflect. Okay, so if I do with the same address, if I want to do the same on Tron, I have to copy the Tron network address and paste. Okay, Now we'll copy it. Now let's go and import this address into a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet address. Let's go. All right, let's go. Click on Trust Wallet. Go back to Trust Wallet. Let's enter a phrase. Now click on Settings. Click on that. Click plus button. Click on Already Have a Wallet. Now remember, it was Smart Chain. The Shiba Inu we searched for, it was on Smart Chain. Okay, let's click on Smart Chain. Address on a. Let's paste that. So this one now, I'll tap it X. Boom. Now all the crypto on this address will reflect. Boom. Over $3 million. Over $3 million. Okay, let me screenshot this. And if you check here, okay, there's no NFT on Smart Chain. Now this is over $3 million on this particular wallet. And now they will send this address to you guys. This is the Shiba Inu address. This is the Shiba Inu that we copied. You could see the transaction coming in and going out per seconds. Now this is someone's wallet and the person is transacting back to back. You could see the transactions. This person is transacting so much. Okay, this person could be making so much money. Okay, the person just deposited $39 USDT. Okay, so every transaction that is going on this wallet, I'll be getting the notification. I'll be receiving the notification. Now this person is making so much money. Okay, now so for me not to be receiving some transaction, I have to get it. Now they'll give this wallet to some of you guys and you will come and say, okay, it's my wallet, I gave money to a trader. No such thing. No trader gave you any wallet. They just scammed you. All right,
now this explains how some of you are actually being scammed on a daily basis. And if you ever want to trade, don't give money to a trader to trade for you. You could do simple spot trading on Binance or KuCoin or any of the exchanges and make a huge amount of profit weekly, okay, or daily. Or you could do the simplest, maybe you could do future trading and then make some good amount of profit, a reasonable amount of profit for yourself daily using Binance or KuCoin. If you don't have Binance or KuCoin, the link is in the description. And if you want to learn details on how to do this spot trading and future trading successfully and some detailed crypto tutorial, step-by-step tutorial, please, you have to just click on the first link in the description of this video. Okay, and then get in. It just costs less than $30. I think it just costs $30. Okay, it's not one of those huge costs. I just want everybody to participate in that. So it just costs $30 and then you have access to the course. So you won't have to be giving money to traders to keep scamming you all of the time. All right.
And this is something that people use to claim big boys, big girls, some people to try to some people to show them that they have money. All right. So now let's, on this same address, let's click and import it. If this person have coin on a different wallet, let's click to import it on another network. Plus button. I already have a wallet. Let's choose Ethereum this time around. Address. Paste it. Let's paste that. Let me call this time around XY. Okay, this person don't seem to have any crypto on Ethereum network, so no crypto on Ethereum network reflected on this wallet. So now let's go to another network. Let's go to another network. Let me delete it so that I'll stop having plenty notification of money that is not my own. Okay, all right. Now let's go to another blockchain and go to my browser. This time around, let's go to Ethereum. Etherscan, Etherscan. Get rid of all that. Now we're on Etherscan right here. Now which network do we choose? Let's choose let's type Ethereum.